Hello everyone, I have a very exciting video today because I am going to be sharing with you the latest addition to my bag collection. Here it is. It is from Louis Vuitton and it is the Alma BB in Rose Ballerine in the Epi Leather. I'm so excited. I can't wait to share this with you. I absolutely love this bag. First things first, it's in the Christmas holiday packaging. I bought this just before Christmas, I think a week or two before Christmas, and I love the bags. They had almost run out. I think this was the last bag in this design of this size. I think it is beautiful though. I absolutely love it. I love the different colours. I love the installation they have in store. It is gorgeous. So let's take out the bag. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. If we start to undo this, oh my goodness. So the reason I bought this bag is because I really wanted a bag that I can wear for both evening and for the day, and I think this is perfect for both. So there we go, in the beautiful dust bag. Take this out. Here it is. Oh my goodness, honestly, I love this so much. Look, here she is. The Alma BB in Epi Leather in the Rose Ballerine. Oh my goodness, she is absolutely beautiful. So I was really torn in store between this and the black one. They only had one of each left. And I was going more for the pink, and then I asked to see the black, and actually someone had just bought it, so they basically made up my mind for me, which is great because I'm so happy with this colour, because pink is actually a colour that I can incorporate into my wardrobe both in the summer and in the winter, because I have a few lovely pale pieces in my wardrobe. I mean, this jumper, look, this has pink in, so this would go great with this. It's beautiful. I wanted the Epi Leather because it's so hard wearing, and I think in this bag it looks beautiful, and it's a very kind of subtle Louis Vuitton. So I have some pieces which are quite, when I say out there, I mean with the monogram and stuff, you can tell straight away it's Louis Vuitton. However, this is a little bit more subtle, and I thought the contrasting silver hardware was gorgeous. I think it looks so amazing in the silver. You can wear this just on its own like this, which is what I think makes it really suitable for the evening. However, if we open this up, also that zip, it's so smooth, it's brilliant. If I open this up, you will see on the inside we have the long strap. Now this is only one length, so this isn't adjustable. It just clips onto these little sections here. You can't adjust it, however, it's the perfect length. I will show you how it just fit on my body. So I am 5'7", just to give you an idea of where it might sit on you depending on your height. But look, it's a lovely strap. It is quite thin, however, it is a very small bag, so you don't need anything too chunky. So let me just take this off again for a moment. I bought this from the store on New Bond Street, and I love their store there. It's just bigger, they have a wider selection, and it's just quite nice to browse. So the price of this that I paid was £1,090. As we look at the bag, we have the padlock at the side, which I think is beautiful. I mean, you don't have to keep this on. I like to keep this on, so I only just use this zip, and I keep this on this side because I just think it looks really beautiful. It's just a lovely added touch. Then at the front we have this little pocket here, and this is where the keys are for the padlock. There we go. So as you can see, there are the keys just hidden inside there, and I also like to keep this on because I just think it's another added touch. You've got the LV logo just embossed very lightly, and then you've just got this plain leather going all the way around the edging, and then at the bottom you do have this extra support, and then you do have the studs, which is great because especially with this being such a pale colour, it's such a pale pink, you don't really want it to get ruined, so you don't have to worry about the bottom getting scuffed or anything like this. And then if we go on to the inside, I love the inside of this. It is a pale pink. Oh, also inside I have this little pouch, and this is just for the padlock. I'll just be keeping this in the box just to keep it all together, and then the little card and stuff about the care of it is also in there. If we look on the inside, it is a beautiful matching pink, and this is so soft. I am going to be careful though, because obviously it is a pale pink and I don't want any marks on the inside, but it is beautiful on the inside. I am in love with this. I can't believe I have this bag. It is beautiful. It's amazing, and it's going to be nice and hard wearing because the Epi leather is wonderful for that. Oh, look at it. I'm so happy. Even though this is a small bag, it does fit quite a lot inside. I mean, if you see the width and the size of the base, it does fit quite a lot. So I will in a moment go and grab I have the Louis Vuitton Emilie wallet, and that is a long wallet, and I was slightly concerned it's not going to fit inside. However, it fits perfectly. So I will insert a little clip of me popping it inside so you can see just how much space there is, because at a glance you think this is a tiny bag, like how are you going to fit anything in? But trust me, you can fit loads in here. And the whole point of this bag as well was not just so it can be day and evening, but also I have a lot of bags that are much bigger, so I really want to add some smaller bags into my collection, starting with the Alma BB, and I absolutely love it. So I think that's everything covered. I can't wait to be wearing this all the time. I'm just so happy with it. So if you have any questions about this bag, let me know in the comments down below, and I'm more than happy to answer them. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!